Welcome to the land of colors. Andhra Pradesh, the heartland of vibrant shades. A land of colors. Colors of wilderness. Colorful personalities. Colors of culture and traditions. Colors of richness. Colors of power. And the colors of life, forming the colors of integration. Now experience the coming together of the colors of strength. A unique union that spells lifestyle from none other than the leaders in international lifestyle property development. With a decade of excellent performance, today IJM is the other name for landmark creation. Be it in India or with its global presence, landmarks that stand for our stability across countries and across borders. With its maiden residential project at Hyderabad, Raintree Park, Hyderabad, that spells the beginning of new age construction, and the color strengthens in union with the Indian giant LEPL, a name that stands for trust and reliability in land development. With LEPL's 2 decades of goodwill, little needs to be thought when a landmark is on its way. And no wonder their foresight led to a choice that none can contest.
We have chosen, Vijayawada and Guntur, which is really, the happening belt, both geographically as well as, the facilities that you can have.
As I am having an experience of building an excellent residential townships and infrastructure projects, so we decided to join hands with them and make our dreams come true.
In this Raintree Park Dwarka Krishna Township, from all the experience that we have from all over the world, including Malaysia, where we have come out with all these townships, I will put special emphasis to bring the best of the most modern township into Vijayawada, to ensure that all these buyers who subsequently join this township will be more than glad to come into such a modern integrated development that we are offering to everybody in Vijayawada.
With an example of its glorious past, no wonder it is rightfully named the City of Victory. Vijayawada and Guntur is home to the second oldest evidence of humans in India. Since the beginning of the Buddhist epoch, it has stood foremost in matters of culture, education and civilization, laden with the wealth of Kuchipudi and its famous temples. Not to mention the famous Kundapuli toys, an art that is only passed down through generations. Vijayawada and Guntur, in a city that's a future gold mine of opportunities, a choice which can't get better. Raintree Park, Dwarka Krishna, situated at such a vantage point that it is equidistant from both Vijayawada and Guntur. Raintree Park, Dwarka Krishna is about to exceed the benchmark of excellence in creation. Imagine space. Imagine freedom. Imagine the township of Raintree Park, Dwarka Krishna. A private villa of your own. It's nothing less than a masterpiece. Your home here will mean the world to you. You can't ask for more. Whatever you've asked for is here. Imagine a life that centers around a crystal clear lake with a fresh breeze trailing you all along. At every step, you can figure out the vision that has gone into the detailing of the project. It's time to think real. Whatever you imagined is now yours. The thoughtful gesture is quite evident when it comes to the security measures taken to safeguard the township. Special measures have been taken to ensure that the construction is earthquake resistant. And needless to say, that a township with such foresight is inspired by nature. The River Krishna has water throughout the year that helps maintain a steady water table across the township. Nothing goes to waste here, as the rainwater harvesting system puts the rainwater to good use, and the sewage treatment plant sees to it that not a drop is wasted. All the rainwater is collected in a pond and treated extensively for further daily use. We take note that the entire project is VASTU compliant, and it is not just the emotional support. A strong legal foundation adds value to the project. That's why all purchase land and building plans have a clear title from VGTM UDA. So enter a lifestyle that's truly 360 degrees caring. Luxury that existed only in dreams till date. Cross over to the facilities that are truly state-of-the-art. A place that you will love to call home, with a view that's hard to take your eyes off, and an address that you will crave for. Overall, a destination that means much more than just a home. Call it a slice of life. Raintree Park, Dwarka Krishna. Welcome to the great lifestyle. Raintree Park, Dwarka Krishna.